Okay, so first off, somebody on YouTube said I didn't have one of these, so I thought I'd prove you wrong. This is my user ID. This is a 1975 Yamaha Xs650B, and I'm going to do a little cold start for you. Cold, see? Pipes are cold. I can touch them. Crankcase is cold. Usually that takes long to cool down, so touch it. It's all cold. Cold, 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 cold. I haven't even turned the fuel on yet, so we're going to have to use the choke, definitely, to start this beast up. Choke, gas, gas. And here we go, kicking it on a cold start. There you go, there's a cold start with the Yamaha Xs650 with a kickstart on one kick. So screw you.